Welcome to our guide on tips and tricks for the IELTS speaking module. In this module, you'll be assessed on your ability to communicate effectively in English. Here are some strategies to help you perform your best. Tip 1. Understand the format. Familiarize yourself with the format of the speaking test. It consists of 3 parts: the introduction and interview, the long turn, and the discussion. Knowing what to expect can help you feel more confident during the test. Tip 2. Practice regularly. Practice speaking English regularly, even outside of formal study sessions. This could include conversations with friends, watching English movies, or listening to English podcasts. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with speaking in English. Tip 3. Focus on fluency and coherence. During the test, focus on speaking fluently and coherently. This means expressing your ideas clearly and smoothly, without too many pauses or hesitations. Try to maintain a natural flow of speech throughout the test. Tip 4. Expand your vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words and phrases related to common IELTS speaking topics. This will help you express yourself more effectively and accurately during the test. Make use of flashcards, vocabulary apps, or language learning websites to help you memorize new words. Tip 5. Practice pronunciation. Pay attention to your pronunciation and intonation when speaking English. Practice pronouncing difficult sounds and words, and try to mimic native speakers as much as possible. You can use online pronunciation resources or language exchange apps to help you improve your pronunciation skills. Tip 6. Use fillers and linking words. Use fillers and linking words to help you organize your thoughts and connect your ideas during the test. Fillers such as well, and you know, can give you a moment to think, while linking words such as however, therefore, and in addition can help you transition between ideas smoothly. Tip 7. Be confident. Finally, be confident during the test. Remember that the IELTS speaking test is designed to assess your ability to communicate in English, so try to relax and speak naturally. Don't worry too much about making mistakes, focus instead on expressing yourself clearly and effectively. In conclusion, by understanding the format of the test, practicing regularly, focusing on fluency and coherence, expanding your vocabulary, practicing pronunciation, using fillers and linking words, and being confident, you can improve your performance in the IELTS speaking module. Good luck!
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.